Hi everyone. Today I am going to teach you CSS. Please go to elsbazaar.com/blog and here you go under the tutorials, you see the CSS. Or the other way to go is scroll down and open the categories. Under the category there is a CSS tutorial. We are going to learn all about this CSS one by one. Let's go under the CSS. First we're going to learn about what is CSS? What is the purpose of using CSS and why CSS is necessary to design our website? CSS, it is the search form of cascading style sheets, which helps to style the layout of our website and their appearance. CSS can be defined into three ways, that is external style sheets, internal style sheets and inline style sheets. What is external style sheets? External style sheets means if your CSS is saved under into different file name like file name.css and linked with your HTML file, that's called external style sheets. Let's read this one now. In external style sheets, CSS defined into a separate file as I told you earlier and saved on .css extension like filename.css. You can save under your choice name like name.css, style.css, any name you like. This singles.css file will change the look of entire websites. Each page of your website must link to external style sheets using the following codes, which must insert in the head sections. If you have home page and you have a CSS style sheet like home.css, and to link this page you must have to include this line of code in your HTML head sections, and your style sheet reference must be home.css or whatever the name you have provided. External style sheets can also be written in any text editor like Notepad, brackets, or any other text editors you can use it. I used to write my CSS code in the brackets. Here I have installed the brackets. Here I use the brackets, which is the free and open source as well. Here is an example of external style sheets file name the CSS code. When you write the CSS code in external style sheets, you write the code like this. My body background will be blue, margin is 10px and padding is 5px. What is this margin, padding, background color? It will come after in the another sections. And my home page title, like a header title, is in black color and must be centered and must have underlined. This is how I defined my CSS externally. Now let's go to another section, how you define your CSS internal. Internal style sheets may be used to style each single page. It is defined with style element inside head section of your HTML page, which means that this time your CSS style sheets will not be defined into different pages. It will be in the same page as your HTML have. For example, if your home page is saved as home.html, your style sheet will be within the home page HTML inside the header section, and it is start with style and close with style, and your CSS code will be within the style and within the head sections. In style sheets, it's used to style a single element. Suppose you have a home page like home.html. Now we move into the third section in style sheet. And if you have a homepage.html like this, if you have a homepage with the title is homepage and body, the header is this is the heading and this is a paragraph. By using the in style sheets, you can change each element you like you can have the homepage title into different color, or heading into different color, paragraph into different color, or heading into I have already putting the heading into h1 means the h1 text here. Here I have defined it. This is called the style sheet, inline style sheet, because it is defined within your HTML text. Here the H1, like this is a heading, is into the red, margin 10 px and must be in the center. This is how you define the CSS style sheets into the three different ways, and it's used to define your layout of the website and their appearance. With the help of CSS, you can entirely change your website appearance. The best way to define your CSS is